Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use LocalSend from iPhone to laptop. All right, as you can see here, in the left-hand side, I have here my LocalSend for PC or laptop. And the right-hand side, we have LocalSend. So go ahead and grab your iPhone, open up LocalSend, and make sure that you're under the Send section right here. Okay, and once that's done, go ahead over to the very top and find which file, media, or text, or even folder you wanted to send. For example, I'm going to go ahead and send a text. Okay, I'm going to tap on text. I'm going to go ahead and type down a message. Hi, tap and confirm. And then once done, where do you want to send the specific text or media? So make sure that devices or all of your devices are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi connection so that you'll be able to see it right here in the list. So this one is my Windows computer and this one is my Samsung device. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and send it to Windows right here as we are going to send it on a laptop. Or if you can see your Mac right here, go ahead and send it on Mac as well. So tap, and then all you got to do, as you can see here, automatically it says, my iPhone sent you a message, hi. So you can't reply back, but you can just copy. So go to media right here if you want to send some media and choose a photo. You can send as many photo or video as you want. I think the maximum is 1,000. All right. So once that's done, again, find Windows or Mac, accept right here on your computer, hit on done. And then after that, click on this resend icon and you'll be able to see it right here. Or if you want to open up the whole folder, just click on open or open folder. There you go. That's how simple it is to use LocalSend from iPhone to a laptop. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.